Hey guys, we recently attended the Milwaukee 2022 Pipeline event to preview all of their new tool releases and updates for Q2 of this year. Most of the tools that I'm going to show you come out in late August, October 22. And this is just a sampling of what we liked. Talk about the M12 new generation free release. So the M12 Fuel half-inch subcompact drill, the hammer drill, half-inch hammer drill, and the quarter-inch impact driver, all updated to Gen 3. They all got a little smaller, a little faster, and safer. The hammer drill and drill are now 5.9 inches long with an all-metal half-inch chuck, mechanical clutch, all-metal gear case, really nicely thought out, just a little smaller. The drill now has 30% more power than the Gen 2 drill, and the hammer drill has speeds 33% faster and has improved thermal motor capabilities. The M12 quarter-inch Hex Driver is now faster, and it certainly beats out a whole bunch of 18-volt tools. I can attest to that. It too has increased thermal capability. It measures 5 inches long, and the best improvement to it, by far in my opinion, is the tri-LED lighting that provides greater visibility and reduces shadows for those of us that like to visit those dark places. While I keep the M12 tools here in the shop, mostly because I just love the size and it's great for a shop size, the truth is that my M12 tools, my Gen 2 tools, are capable of doing 90% of the fastening on the job site for me. They are truly an impressive 12-volt tool. So check them out if you're not into those. The drill and the impact are going to be selling for $169, hammer drills $179, and like I said, all three of these will be late August of 2022. Okay, M18 new generation 4 release. So I know it's hard to believe that these drills actually have been out since Gen 1 2012. That's when I got my first one. Gen 2 2015 and Gen 3 was 2018. I'm still using my Gen 2 impact and drill, and it's had a great run. It's still running. Let's talk about the half-inch hammer drill, the M18. The M18 drill delivers 30% more power under load and can complete holes in dense hardwood for really fast drilling. I was boring through some stuff fast. It also has increased thermal motor capabilities and has a compact design. It measures only 6.9 inches long. Again, this one too has all-metal ratcheting chuck, better corrosion resistance. That's been improved. And Milwaukee claims to be the first manufacturer to utilize machine learning combined with advanced sensors in the tool that shut the tool motors down to prevent over-rotation. So they call this auto stop. You and I call it a broken collarbone or a broken wrist or knocking off a ladder, but it's a super fast anti-kickback binding control. The auto stop control mode basically offers this enhanced safety for the operator by preventing over rotation. Bind up, and super fast bind up where your wrist joint basically could spin and lock and you can get hurt. So it stops it, if you're thinking about a clock, it stops it at like 3 o'clock on the clock. It doesn't go all the way around, so you're not hurting yourself, which is great. It weighs 3.3 pounds, super light, and it now has 1,400 inch-pounds of torque. An improved variable speed trigger, and 2 RPM settings from 0 to 500 and 0 to 2100 RPMs. The hammer drill is going to sell for $309 late August. Now the quarter-inch Hex Driver, M18, impact saw a slight size and weight decrease, probably maybe 1/8 of an inch, guys, not much. It already is a pretty small impact and gets right into those tight places. It measures 4.47 inches in length. The impact peak power is the same, but they've increased the RPMs for faster fastening, and now they're seeing 3,900 RPMs versus the prior generation of 3,600 RPMs. It has improved enhanced trigger control, which is a great feature, really could feather stuff, and it delivers it has 4 mode drive controls over the output of the speed and power to provide smooth acceleration, prevent stripping of screws, damaging the material, stuff like that. They also have they still kept the self-tapping screw mode, designed to reduce walking and starting of self-tapping screws, right? Or reduce overdriving, breaking, stripping of screws. The new impact driver also received the tri-LED headlight upgrade, which I'm so glad they did, because when DeWalt came out with it, I was like, that is genius. So Milwaukee, I'm glad you did that. This impact driver is going to sell for $299 late August 22. Also new for Milwaukee is some high output batteries. So we saw some M12, M18 battery packs. The M12 battery packs, they refer to them as resistant batteries. They deliver 25% more power, run 25% cooler, in a lighter, more compact package. And that package is built with resistant housing to deliver increased protection against exposure from common oil, greases, and solvents found in the automotive and manufacturing environments. That was a feedback they were getting from the mechanics. These batteries are fully compatible with all their tools and chargers. An XC 5 amp hour 50 battery, resistant battery, is going to cost around $169. Or since we're talking about automotive, they have some cool mechanic tools, and for the pro, but also for a shade tree mechanic like me. So 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch drive, 6, 9, 12 inch long flex head ratchets from $50 to $65. They had a 1/2 inch drive, 11 inch flex ratchet, and that was $74, $75. So the flex head ratchet, it provides a 4 degree of arc swing to provide users with better access. I mean, you can just go click, click, click. It's going to give you greater adaptability when working in really tight spots and different angles, guys. The ratchet head can flex to 7 different positions and has a little lever on it that you can lock the head in place. So when you flex it, you can lock it, which I liked. Extended handle length provides increased leverage, slim profile design on it, and a flush directional lever for better accessibility to get into places. They also put out ratchet combo wrenches, regular and metric. The price range is like $69 to $109. They put out combo wrenches, regular and metric, from $11 to $111, depending on the size. The combo wrenches deliver 2.5 degrees of arc swing and 144 ratcheting positions, allowing quick, efficient work in tight spaces. The wrench features kind of a double stack pawls within the ratcheting mechanism, and that's to provide increased durability and extend the life of the tool, which is nice. They're thinking about durability. The open end grip improves the ratchet's grip on nuts and bolts, and it offers, they say, 25% more torque than a smooth face wrench. Those combination wrenches feature ergonomic I-beam handles design, ink-filled labels that allow you just to identify it really easy. You can see the difference between SEE and metric. All right, let's talk about the track saw. 6.5 inch track saw, $550. Track saw provides 6,300 RPMs and can cut 2-inch hardwood with ease. The adjustments on the saw, such as the track tension, the anti-tip, the depth, the bevel, all are well designed, durable, and I really found them intuitive and easy to use. As a kit, this track saw comes in a Pack-Out XL case with a dust bag, high output 6 amp hour battery, the XC battery, multi-voltage rapid charger. It weighs 9.9 pounds, has variable speed of 2,500 to 5,600 RPMs, and a 20 millimeter arbor size, and it can bevel from -1 to 48 degrees with a cutting capacity at 90 of 2¼ inches. There are 3 guides that come with it, 31 inches, 55, and 108 inches, as well as guide rail clamps, connectors, and they offer a carry bag as well. The saw and accessories, you can see this in late October 2022. Okay, another cool thing was they had an orbital detail sander. It's about $150. M12. The detail sander is a dedicated detail sander. No more putting that little triangle thing on your multi-tool. It has an orbital sanding motion of 1.5 millimeters, an orbit diameter. The pad shape is a triangle. It's a sharp point for getting into corners and stuff like that. It weighs 1.3 pounds, super small. Has an internal counterweight mechanism that's going to reduce vibration for us. And the detail sander features a variable speed trigger with a lock-on button and 4 speed modes for different types of sanding and desired results. Plus, it's small enough to just slide right in your tool bag. So Milwaukee's going to be selling their own mesh sanding sheets for this as well, for the M12 sander, somewhere around $12, $13. The mesh sheets were designed to be tear resistant, up to 12 times longer life than standard sandpaper. They have kind of an open weave design on the sheets that minimizes clogging and reduces material buildup. A durable nylon backing on these sheets is also on the back side, and it increases kind of the protection against sharp edges and tearing and stuff like that. And they use a sharp aluminum oxide grain for sanding. The sander is going to come out in late October as well. They also, speaking of sanders, they came out with a 3x18 belt sander, $279. So this 3x18 belt sander is cool. It generates the power and torque of an 8 amp corded sander, and it removes material fast. I used it, I liked it. An internal fan or wheel inside this actually spins and helps suck dust, about 80% of the dust. The dust collection system paired with a bag that they offer, or it also comes with a universal hose adapter. Variable speed trigger, 5 settings on the variable speed from 1350 to 750 SFM, surface feet per minute. Weighs 7.5 pounds, and one cool feature on this, it's got an adjustable front handle which allows you to slide it back and get into tight spaces. The sander also has an automatic belt tracking, tool-free belt tracking knob, and easy to use a lever to take off the belts, and a couple of LED lights. Also, there is a 1/4-inch orbital sheet sander. That's going to go from 1,300 to 11,000 OPMs and has excellent dust collection. The dust collection system, again, paired with a dust bag, and a universal hose adapter. And then, I don't know the price on that, but the last thing that I wanted to talk about was the wrecker blade. So the wrecker with nitrous carbide Sawzall blades are for demo and remodeling. They feature a 6 TPI 2-per-inch design, available in 6, 9, and 12 inches long. They're going to range between $16 and $24. And look, guys, that's it. There's a ton more automotive stuff and cool improved. There was an inflator and a power station they offered, which we did a short video on the power station. But there was a lot more stuff to check out. So the next tool review release from Milwaukee is going to be in August, and they're going to focus on OPE, outdoor power equipment, and their hand tools, many of which are made in the US. So pretty cool stuff. I hope you enjoyed the preview. Leave us a comment, and I'll catch you guys next time. Take care.